What up? So, crazy story, man. I am here. You hear the noise in the background? I'm here in Baltimore. I just got here in Baltimore, Maryland. I'm here for the carnival that they got going on here. But after a 4 hours and 30-minute drive, I just got here. Lucky for me, as soon as I parked the car, the check engine light came on. Check engine light came on, the car won't work, and now I'm stuck here in Baltimore. The festival's about to start any minute. It is now 11 o'clock. I think it starts at 12. But like I said, the good thing is I got here, but now the car won't work. So I had to call Hertz, and so they're gonna bring me another car and a tow truck and stuff like that. So we'll see how that go, man. Crazy story, but thank God this car didn't. Thank God it didn't stop on the highway, because that'd have been crazy. But anyway, I'm here. I'm alive, and you know, we're about to go check this out. I've never been to Baltimore before, and I am here, and we're gonna have some fun. All right, peace. So my car broke down. I have to wait. They're sending me a lift, take me to the airport to get another car, and then I got to come back down here. Craziness. Oh man, this is turning into a really bad day, guys. The tow truck came, they got the car, they took the car, and now I'm waiting for another car. But where I'm at, they can't get to me, so I have to walk because there's police barricade and the car cannot come through, so I have to walk over there so I can get a different car. I'm not even sure if you can hear me, but it's a nice parade. That's all, guys. Check you later. See this? Because the car broke down. There's a barricade. The new car can't get to me, so I have to go to the new car. And I had a bunch of stuff in the car. Like, I had a cooler for my drinks in the car, and I gotta carry this thing all the way from top of the hill all the way to down here.